Dude, this looks Photoshopped to me, man.
Low beam, regular beam, high beam.
What
is regular beam? This is the second time you've mentioned 3 beams. There's only 2 beams in there.
I don't know.
All of these look like something that was done in Microsoft Paint.
Welcome back to the Dorman Proving Grounds Garage. I'm Miriam, and today we're going to be identifying the meanings behind some dash lights. We've got Lemmy behind the controls. Let's go. I know TPMS lights. I know high beams.
Airbag.
That's going to be your airbag off.
Oh, passenger airbag.
Airbag?
I was close. I got it half right. Airbag.
Oh, this is
Porsche. Spoiler.
Aha, rear spoiler, up and down.
Keith likes that one.
no, it's definitely the adaptive spoiler.
We're demanding that's the right answer. Tire pressure.
TPMS light.
Maybe TPMS coming on, low tire.
Greaser, do you own a single vehicle with this light?
No, my Jeep doesn't even have OBD2. So I'm really not sure where I picked all these up, but so far this is making sense to me. I think these are good designs.
I think you made this one up.
No, it's gotta be real.
Yeah, this is an egg warning.
Egg.
Be very
Fragile.
careful transporting eggs.
What we got to figure out though is what these 8 dots represent.
Could they be cylinders?
The arrows is shoot direction. Oh, cylinder deactivation.
Bumps in
road
the
is
road.
too bumpy
Yes.
to transport eggs. Clogged air. You didn't even give us a chance. We wouldn't have.
What? Oh my God.
I was so confident that this was an egg answer that we just. All of these look like something that was done in Microsoft Paint.
Oh, this is the,
Indication for defroster.
Defrost.
Okay, which my Jeep also does not have.
That looks like the fog lamp.
it's either high beam or fog light.
We got our fog lights.
Low beams.
Definitely fog lights.
It's high beams because the fog light has a little, no, it's the exact opposite. It's pointed down, so it's low, right?
Oh, low beam.
All right, next one, please.
Rear defrost.
Yeah.
This feels like a defrost.
That's a rear defrost.
rear defrost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Automatic headlights.
This seems like auto high beams are on. I learned from my previous beam indicator.
Automatic high beams.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Auto lights. Your lights will turn on automatically.
Auto headlamps.
Can you be a little bit more specific?
Automatic headlamps.
That's not a high beam.
Auto high beam. Come on, man. High beams, low beams.
I think that whoever made these lights did it wrong because it should be low beam, regular beam, high beam.
What's
What is regular beam? This is the second time you've mentioned 3 beams. There's only 2 beams in there.
I don't know. See, I'm gonna invent my own car and things are gonna be made right.
High beams.
Useless. That's high beams. That's high beams.
High beams.
Is that the fog light lamp? We already did the. I thought we did the high beam and the low beam.
We did auto headlamps.
All right, go ahead. You made this one
It's
up.
fake. It's fake.
You made this one up.
Is this the arrow? Is that something to do with the adaptive headlights?
Dude, this looks Photoshopped to me, man.
It's not real.
You made this one up. I
This
know
is a
you
lie.
did.
I feel like
It's
this.
recirculating
I
fog
feel like
lights.
this is something to do with adaptive recirculating. I think that's adaptive headlights. It looks like the setting
Yeah.
for yes.
Oh.
I've never
Nah,
seen that
I've never
before.
seen that before. Is that cruise control?
Cruise control.
I need so many of these features. That's cruise control.
Could you be more specific?
It's not engaged yet.
This is to set your cruise control speed.
Is it looking at the car in front of you? It's an ADAS thing.
Adaptive cruise control. That's fancy.
Not all cars got adaptive cruise control.
There's no radar on this. All right.
Adaptive cruise control. Okay, so I was right.
So I was confused by this one too. I think the addition of the car
that's
is
the
what
car
turns
that-
it into adaptive cruise control.
It's adapting to the car. All right. Well, you learn something every day.
Coffee time.
Coffee time. Duh.
Yeah. Tea time.
No, coffee time now.
Coffee time. Never mind.
Yeah. Do they? Oh, there must be cars with the ability to keep your cup warm.
Boy, that sounds phenomenal.
This seems like a really high end.
It could also be a new
nice
product
cars.
idea.
Yeah. Dorman heated cup holders.
So what is this again?
Heated cup holders. It's got to be.
Attention assist light.
What? That's fake.
No, I've seen it on Benzes. There's like a sensor in the dash that actually detects the driver's eyes, and if you appear to be nodding off, it'll flash that to tell you to pull over and grab a cup of Joe.
Kind of cool.
You ain't see it? It's a cup.
It's
It's
literally
a cup of coffee. That's what it is.
It does make me want a cup of coffee.
That's true. I guess it works. Oh, this is
Tea time.
This is a British car.
It's tea time.
For
yeah.
sure.
Tea time.
This is
Yep, nailed it.
Well, that about wraps up this video. Head on over to Shop Press to check out some other tech challenge videos. I'm Miriam from Dorman, and I'll see you next time.